Heron's formula. So today we have to start the chapter of class 9th math, Heron's formula. So what is Heron's formula and why we use the Heron's formula in mathematical terms? So according to you have to find the area of triangles. So firstly we know that what is triangle? What is triangle? What is triangle? So the plane figure bounded by three line segments is called a triangle. So तीन साइड से घिरा हुआ जो क्षेत्र है लाइन सेगमेंट से, जो तीन साइड से घिरा हुआ होता है बाउंडेड जो कर्व है, दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रायंगल. We have to denote the A, B, C. So in triangles, these three vertices having three vertices and vertices which is A, B and C. A, B and C are the vertices of the triangle and having also three angles. So this is angle A, angle B and angle C. Three angles are in the triangles and also three line segment, three lines. So this is AB, BC and CA, and CA are the three lines, three angles, three vertices. Then we have to use the perimeter of the triangles. So all length of the three sides of the triangle, all length perimeter. What is perimeter? So all length of the three sides of the triangle is called perimeter. So total perimeter goes for length of AB. So if the length of AB side is A and this goes for B and this is C, so total perimeter goes for A plus B plus C unit. C unit is the perimeter. Okay, then area. What is the area of the triangles? So firstly we have to see the definitions. The total bounded region, area of triangle, total bounded region by three sides in triangle ABC is called ABC. The region is called area of the triangle. So this is the triangle perimeter and area of the triangle. So next we have to see the how many types of triangle. So basically with the based on the sides having mainly three types of triangles. First is equilateral triangle. Second one is isosceles triangle, and third one goes for scalene triangle. So in the equilateral triangle having all sides are equal, and in the isosceles triangle is having two sides are equal, and then in the scalene triangle having no one sides are equal, all sides are unequal, is called scalene triangle. So according to the definitions we have to find if this is the equilateral triangle, then this is the height of the triangle. In two sides, that is isosceles triangle. Then also we have to justify the height of the triangle, but in scalene triangle not justify the exact height of this triangle. So this and this triangles area goes for area of triangle goes for half into base into height. But this scalene triangle having not find the exact height of this triangle, then we have to use to find the area of the triangle with the help of Heron's formula. So what is the Heron's formula? The Heron's formula is root under S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is the semi-perimeter of triangle, and S goes for A plus B plus C upon 2, and A, B, C are the length of the side of given triangle. So this is the Heron's formula. And according to the Heron's formula, we have to find the area of a scalene triangle, and apart from, we have to not justify the exact height of that triangle, then we have to use to find the area of triangle is with the help of Heron's formula. So Heron's formula is good for S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C root under, and where S is the semi-perimeter of triangle, and S is good for A plus B plus C upon 2, where A, B, C are the length of the side of the triangle. Thank you.